patriotic nation, in the heart of our land, where bravery lies. Stand heroes bold beneath azure skies, their courage and valor through history's page guide us with pride from age to age. From Lapu-Lapu's sword to Bonifacio's call, they fought for freedom, standing tall. With Rizal's pen and Luna's might, they defended our nation's right. In every Filipino, their spirit lives on, in act of kindness from dusk till dawn. With love for our country, let our hearts ignite and honor the heroes in their eternal light. So let us stand united, hand in hand, for the Philippines, our beloved land. With the spirit of heroes, let us strive to build a nation where love and freedom thrive.